it is, everybody. I'm back once again with another video. Today I'm saying goodbye to my butterfly locks. I'm kind of sad about it, but it's about time. I'm ready to do another hairstyle, so gotta let it go. So today I'm just gonna break down how I'm taking these out, and along the way I'll give you guys kind of a review of the hairstyle and how it has worked out for me. I can tell you guys now that I love this hairstyle. Like, I will definitely be doing this again. I think the next time I do it's gonna be longer with some color, so that should be fun. But I'm gonna get down to the nitty gritty and really let you guys know all the details about this hairstyle. So let's get started. All right, so I'm gonna start by taking this down. And the first thing I'm gonna do is I love this hair. It's only been about, I think maybe like 3.5 weeks, so almost a full month. These definitely could last for a month, even longer than that, but I rarely keep a style longer than a month. So you'll see that I have to like pull these apart, because when you add like little, I want to call them decals so bad, whatever these little jewels are, when you add these to your locks, they cause them to kind of snag. I'm not even sure I'll be able to get this off. But yeah, so they'll snag onto the other locks next to it. So I found myself having to separate those a lot. Let me take the small ones off first. Especially like this one. These smaller ones actually weren't that troublesome for me, but definitely the more extravagant ones, like this gold twisty thing I have here, it's been an issue, but not a huge issue. Like, I just break them apart, and because it's kind of a messy look anyway, it's okay that, you know, you have a few snags here and there, and then if it gets too crazy, you can always just wrap it back around. Okay, so if you watch my butterfly lock tutorial, then you know I did individuals in the front and kind of a crochet-esque thing in the back. Basically, I have cornrows in the back, and then I just did the locks without my hair inside. So because my hair is inside of the front ones, I'm gonna go ahead and separate that. Make sure you can see that's a cornrow there. And then I had one individual right in the middle in the back, so I wanna make sure I put that one up. And I think that's it. I'm gonna double check along the way. If you're bold, you can just like chop a bunch of them at a time. But I'm gonna try to be a little more cautious. All right, so I'm just gonna try to take this cornrow by cornrow. So I feel like that's the safest way to do it. I really need another scrunchie, but I'm gonna have to work with what I have. All right, so this is one cornrow. I'm just gonna fill all the way down to make sure I don't have like the end in here or anything. And all I'm gonna do here in the back is cut. Oh my God, I'm scared. As high up as you feel comfortable. These are the worst scissors ever. Okay, there we go. And from here, you should be able to just pull these out in theory. So find that loop and just pull it out. I'll do another one. Just pull it out. And really quick, I'm gonna show you how to remove the individuals. What I'm gonna do is just kind of stretch it out. Find that braid. I think that's it. It's really hard to tell my hair from this free truss hair. It has to be it, yeah. So there's my little braid. If you're unsure, just keep pulling. Okay, if you're really afraid to cut it, you could just unbraid it and it'll just slide out. But I'm gonna be bold and cut this one. Like that. And then it should just pull right out. All right, so now that you guys get the gist of how I'm doing this, I'm just gonna fast forward this part so you can watch it and take notes if you need to. Okay, really quick, I just wanted to point out how even after cutting these locks out of my head, they are still staying intact. I think I saw someone ask me how I keep them from unraveling, And as you can see, just by simply wrapping them, they're staying together even after I've taken them out. So these are pretty sturdy. Alright, so as you can see, I am all done. Next up, I'm going to wash my hair, I'm going to condition it, I'm going to scratch my scalp, and it's going to feel so good. And I'm going to move on to my next hairstyle. So if you want to see that video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notifications bell so you don't miss it. Thank you so much for watching this. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you guys in the next one.